Hey, how you feel today?
I feel good.
Oh, can you draw everyone a pizza?
Yes. I can draw. I can draw.
Today, RJ is gonna draw a pizza for everyone. I'm so hungry, RJ.
You are hungry?
Yeah, I want pizza. Can you draw me a pizza?
Let's see. Okay.
And what part is that?
One and really pepperoni.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there it is. Now that's starting to look so delicious. I'm getting hungry just looking at your art.
Now cheese.
Oh, cheese. Can you put like orange cheese on it?
Okay.
I really like orange cheese. Oh, that's delicious.
And we need to put it in the oven.
Can you draw an oven to put the pizza in?
Yes. This is the oven.
Oh, this is gonna be delicious. I can just see it now.
And let's put it in the oven.
This is the oven, right?
Yes.
Oh, this is just delicious. Can you put some crust, some brown crust around your pizza?
Yes.
I really like crust. Oh, that's just really tasty looking. Oh, I can just take a bite of that right now. What about lettuce? Can you put lettuce on your pizza?
Yes.
Oh, yes. I like lettuce. Lettuce is delicious. All right, this is RJ's pizza. Yum. Thank you, RJ.